Yeah, Jessica, the Kern County Public Health Department is finding a new way to categorize the people who they have tried getting in contact numerous different times with and have been unsuccessful. So now those people who initially tested positive for COVID-19 and who have not responded back to the Kern County public health officials will have their own designated spot that lives on the Kern County Public Health website dashboard that you can access online. But another big talker tonight surrounds our Kern County elementary schools. Public health officials say more than 20 elementary schools in our county have now applied for the waiver to continue on-campus instruction this semester. And tonight, we're getting a peek inside what that might look like. Thursday, public health officials announced that the backlog in cases taking place across the state has been resolved locally.
We've heard word from the state that they have resolved most of those issues.
Public health addressed the number of cases locally that were impacted by the backlog. But with the issue resolved, Kern County lead epidemiologist Kim Hernandez says they are now moving forward.
We did receive about 1,000 cases over that weekend that had sort of backlogged in that electronic laboratory reporting system that weekend. Those have all been processed. We're continuing to move forward.
However, Hernandez says they are still having trouble getting in touch with many patients who initially tested positive for COVID-19. And now public health is creating a new category just for them.
The category will include people who are presumed to have recovered and presumed to have been released from isolation based on the time it has been since their specimen was collected that resulted in their positive test.
Hernandez went on to say they likely expect that most of these individuals will be from our local skilled nursing facilities. Another issue of concern, the future for students returning to class on campus. Officials saying a number of elementary schools are now looking into the waiver.
More than 20 elementary schools expressed interest. We have received 2 completed applications that we are reviewing currently.
Of the 20 schools that expressed interest, Heritage Elementary and Gideon Academy have already completed the application process. Heritage told 23 ABC News that they had to talk to their attorney before commenting on their rollout plan. Meanwhile, Gideon Academy did share part of their plan for all 16 of their students with 23 ABC News.
In the classroom, we have our student desks that are spaced apart, and there's barriers in between them to protect each student.
Gideon Academy Administrator Aniceto Hernandez says there will be 8 students to a class. During recess, staff will be enforcing social distancing among students unless they are from the same household. Students will also be provided a mask if they do not have one, but they are required to wear one.
3rd through 6th grade are going to be wearing their masks, and they wear them when they come in the classroom and when they're navigating throughout the classroom. They're going to be required to wear them. But while they're at their desk, and if they're having difficulty breathing, they can remove them while they're at their desk.
Now, it is also important to note tonight that all 16 parents of the students that attend Gideon Academy Private School have said that they are going to send their kids back to school if state and local health officials approve the application to begin on-campus instruction again on August 24th. Now, we will, of course, continue to monitor all of the applications as we learn more details out of the Public Health Department here in East Bakersfield. But for now, I'll leave it there. I'm Tori Cooper, live for 23 ABC News, connecting you.